Hello students, welcome to tutorinvestor.com. So in this video, we are going to solve some examples of exercise 6.1. So let us start with example number 1. Now the first example is, if sine theta is equal to 7 upon 25, find the value of cos theta and tan theta. So such type of examples we have already discussed. So what you have to do, draw one right angle triangle. This is the simplest method to solve. So let us consider triangle ABC. This is your angle theta. So what is sine theta? Sine theta, it is nothing but opposite side. So if I have to write here sine theta, opposite side. What is the opposite side? AB. And what is the hypotenuse here? AC, which is equal to 7 upon 25. Okay, so this is 7. This hypotenuse is 25. So what will be this? So if you know the triplet, we have studied in Pythagoras theorem. So it will be 24. Okay, this side will be 24. Right? Or you can use the Pythagoras theorem and you can find the BC. The method we have already discussed in the previous video. So what will be cos of theta? Cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse side. And what will be tan of theta? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So these are your answers. Very simple. Now, next, see the example number 2. So these two examples you can try. You can take this as homework because already now 3 to 4 examples of such type we have discussed. Simply you can draw the right angle triangle, define the trigonometric ratio using Pythagoras theorem, find the third side of triangle and write the and find the given trigonometric ratio. That is a simple method. So you can try these two examples. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Now, next, let us see this example. If 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0, find the value of sec theta, cos theta, and sin theta. Now, to solve such type of examples, write the given equation minus 12 cosec theta, which is equal to 0. So, what will be 5 sec theta, which is equal to 12 cosec theta? Okay, so 5. To simplify this, sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta, which is equal to 12. What is cosec theta? 1 upon sin theta. Okay, so here we have to do the adjustment. What I will do, I will take this sine on this side. Okay, so it will be sin theta upon cos of theta. And this 5 on the RHS. So it will be 12 upon 5. So what is sine upon cos? It is nothing but tan. So what you can do now? Again, draw the right angle triangle. Okay. So this triangle, let's say it is ABC. This is your 90 degree, this angle theta. Now tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So what will be this side? So 5, 12 and 30. It is a triplet. Okay. So now how you are going to find out sec theta? From this triangle, sec it is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Next, how you are going to find out cos of theta? Cos theta, it is what? Adjacent side. What is the adjacent side? 5 upon hypotenuse. And sin theta. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So these are your answers. Very simple examples. Okay. So if you know all the concepts, we can easily solve. Now, say this example. If tan theta is equal to 1, find the value of sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay. So tan theta is equal to 1. Now we know what is tan 45 degree? it is equal to 1. That means what will be theta? 45 degree. Now check this. First is sine theta. Sine theta, which is equal to sine 45 degree. What is sine 45 degree? 1 upon root 2. Next, cos theta. Cos theta, which is equal to cos of 45 degree, which is equal to 1 upon root 2. Next, what will be sec theta? Root 2. And what will be cosec theta? Okay, root 2. Now, take this. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Now, what is sin theta? 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 2. So 1 plus 1, 2 upon root 2 divided by, this will be 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 upon root 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2. So 2, it will get cancelled out. So 1 upon root 2 into root 2, which is nothing but 2. This is your answer. Okay, is it clear? Very easy. Now, next, we have to prove some trigonometric relations, you can say. Okay, that means we have to prove here LHS is equal to RHS. So let us consider first example. Consider LHS first. So sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos of theta. Do the cross multiplication. Okay. So sine square theta into 1 plus cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta upon cos of theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 upon cos theta. What is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta, which is nothing but RHS. Okay, easy. Now, next. See here, take the LHS. We have to prove that cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Take the LHS. So, cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Now, which is equal to cos square theta. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Sec square theta. Now, this is nothing but cos square theta into what is sec? 1 upon cos square theta. So you can cancel this out and it will be equal to 1, which is nothing but your RHS. Okay, so this is how we have to prove these trigonometric relations. Now, let us see the example number 3. Now, okay, I have told you one hint about this. Okay, you have to always look for the denominator and multiply and divide with its conjugate. So take the LHS. What is the LHS? 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. So we have solved this. You can try. I am giving you a hint. You have to multiply and divide with 1 minus sin theta. So what is there is denominator? 1 plus sin theta. So multiply and divide with. Okay, so please try this example. We have already solved such type of example in the previous video. You can go and check out and you can try this example. I think you can easily prove the given trigonometric relation. Now, let us see the example number 4. Okay, so take the LHS here. What is the LHS? Sec theta minus cos of theta in bracket cot theta plus tan of theta. Okay, how to approach? See, we know that what is sec? 1 upon cos. Write it down. What is cot? 1 upon tan. Now do the cross multiplication. So 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 plus tan square theta upon tan theta. which is equal to, now, what is 1 minus cos square theta? It is nothing but sin square theta upon cos of theta into, what is 1 plus tan square theta? It is nothing but sec square theta upon tan of theta. Okay, so see how to do the adjustment. Now sin square theta now divided by cos theta into, instead of sec, can I write 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon tan theta? Okay, now check here, what will be this sin square theta upon cos square theta, which will be equal to tan square theta upon cos of theta into 1 upon tan theta. So this and this tan, it will get cancelled out. It will be tan theta. And what is 1 upon cos? Which is nothing but sec theta, which is nothing but your RHS. Okay, so simply you can prove the given trigonometric relation like this. Now, let us see the example number 5. Take here LHS again. What is the LHS? Cot theta plus tan theta. Now, what is cot theta? Cos upon sin. Plus, what is tan theta? Sin upon cos. Do the cross multiplication. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus sin into sin, sin square theta, divided by sin theta into cos of theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Which is equal to 1 divided by sin theta into cos of theta. What is 1 upon sin? Cosec theta into 1 upon cos sec theta, which is nothing but your RHS. Very simple examples will be there. Okay, use your basic knowledge, nothing complicated. Next, see the example number 6. So here 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So take the LHS, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. We know what is sec, 1 upon cos of theta minus what is tan, sin theta upon cos of theta. Okay, now do the cross multiplication. So 1 upon, so no need to do cross multiplication, denominator is same, so it will be 1 minus sin theta upon cos of theta. Okay, denominator is same, so this cos theta you can take on the upside, so it will be cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Now I have told you, if there is 1 minus sin theta in the denominator, multiply it with its conjugate. So 1 plus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. To simplify the things, it will be cos theta in bracket 1 plus sin theta divided by, now what is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. We have seen this. So therefore this is your LHS, this is your LHS. So LHS further it will be equal to cos theta in bracket 1 plus sin theta divided by, what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. So 1 cos and 1 cos it get cancelled out. So what is remaining? 1 minus sin theta upon cos of theta. It will be 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos of theta. What is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta. What is sin upon cos? Tan theta, which is nothing but your RHS. Oh, very simple steps are there. Use only basic trigonometry. Okay, right? So if you have watched my previous videos clearly, I think you are able to understand these examples very easily. Okay, I have discussed all the basic things in my previous video. If you have not watched, please go and check it out. Now, let us see this. Very important. Now, sec to the power 4. Okay, instead of sec, please consider this as sine. Sine to the power 4 theta. Sine to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. Okay, now see here. Can I write sine to the power 4 theta like this? Okay. Can I write cos to the power 4 theta like this? Notice a square minus b square, a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay, is it clear? What is sine square theta plus cos square theta? 1 into, now check this. Instead of sine square theta, we know the identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What will be sine square theta from these? 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, what we have replaced? Instead of sine square theta, we are writing this. Okay, the next is as it is, minus cos square theta, which is equal to 1 minus. Now, if you combine these two terms, what you are going to get? 1 minus 2 cos square theta, which is nothing but your answers. Simple, 2 to 3 steps, you are going to get your answer. Okay, so there is printing mistake. Please check. Instead of sec to the power 4 theta, it is consider it as sine to the power 4 theta. Now, let us see the next example, question number 8. Okay, so we have seen such type of examples. We have solved such type of examples. Okay, please try this example as a homework. Okay, in my previous video also we have solved such type of examples. And okay, so this is 1 minus sin theta. Okay, so you can try this. What you have to do, see, check the denominator, 1 minus sin theta. So multiply and divide with 1 plus sin theta. You will get your answer. Now, important example, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, you have to prove this. Now, see here. What is given? Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Do the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What you are going to get? A plus b bracket square. What is a plus b bracket square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square. See here, tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta whole bracket square, which is equal to 2 square, which is nothing but 4. Okay, now consider this as a. This will be your a term. This is your b term. Now a square. So tan square theta plus 2ab plus b square. What is b square? 1 upon tan square theta, which is equal to 4. Okay, so this and this term is going to get cancelled. So tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta, which is nothing but 4. So tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta, which is equal to 4 minus this 2, you have to take on RHS. So 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So we have proved the required thing. This is what we have to do. Tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Okay, now next. See, examples will be easy. Don't worry. Now, consider example number 10. Okay, So maybe you may look this example little bit difficult, but it's easy. Only the number of terms are more. Now, tan A. What I can write instead of tan? Sine upon cos. Simplify the things. Okay. Divided by. What is 1 plus tan square A? Sec square A. It is what? Sec square A. Sec square A. Bracket square. Plus. What is cot? Cos upon sine. Because on the RHS, what we want sine and cosine terms. So that's why I'm converting tan and cot in terms of sine and cos. What is 1 plus cot square A? Cosec square A bracket square. Now see here, sine A upon cos of A. Now, what will be sec square A? 1 upon cos square A. 1 upon cos square A and bracket square. So instead of this, can we change simply the power of cos? It will be cos to the power 4A plus. This is what? Cos A upon sine A. Okay. Now, cosec square A. What is cosec square A? See, if you are not getting it, see. Cosec A, it is nothing but 1 upon sine A. So what will be cosec square A? It will be sine square A. Now, if I have to take the square, so it will be 1 upon sine to the power 4A. Okay, so it will be 1 upon sine to the power 4A. Okay, so now you can cancel 1 cos, here it will be 3. You can cancel your sine, it will be 3. So what is remaining? Please check carefully. I can take this cos cube A on the upside. Cos cube A into sine A plus sine cube A into cos of A. I can take sine A and cos of A common. So what will be in bracket? Cos square A plus from the second term, it will be sine square A, which is nothing but sine A into cos of A. What is sine square A plus cos square A? It is nothing but 1. That is our trigonometric identity. This is nothing but your RHS. Okay, always remember if you are getting any terms in tan, cot, okay, try to convert it in terms of sine and cos because that makes your example easy. The last example which we are going to try is sec to the power 4a in bracket 1 minus sine to the power 4a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1. So again, looks little bit difficult because number of terms are more, but let us try it. So let us multiply this sec to the power 4a to this bracket. So it will be sec to the power 4a minus sec to the power 4a into sine to the power 4a minus 2 tan square a, which is equal to, now, sec to the power 4a minus. Now, instead of this sec to the power 4a, it will be what? 1 upon cos to the power 4a. Okay, so sine to the power 4a upon cos to the power 4a minus 2 tan square a. This will be equal to sec to the power 4a minus, what is sine upon cos? Tan to the power 4a minus 2 tan square a. Now see here how to do the adjustment. Can I write this as sec square a whole square minus tan square a whole square minus 2 tan square a. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b into a minus b minus 2 tan square a. Is it clear? Now, what identity we have? We have 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, 1 will be equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So, Instead of this, what we can write? It is nothing but equal to 1. So this will be sec square a plus tan square a. This term will be equal to 1. So no need to write because it is in multiplication. Minus 2 tan square a. So this is nothing but sec square a minus, if you do the basic algebra, it will be tan square a, which is nothing but, see, check here. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or sec square a minus tan square a will be equal to 1, which is nothing but your RHS. Okay, so this is how you have to approach the given examples, whether it is asked to find different trigonometric ratios, or if you want to prove some trigonometric relations, things will be easy. So maximum times you have to start with LHS. In some rare cases, you can start with RHS also, but don't worry, as those are proved only. You can use your basic trigonometric relations. Okay, try to simplify and keep observing RHS. What things you have to do. Okay, that makes it easy to do some changes and do some simplification. So this is it from exercise 6.1. Thank you.